I am Paolo Re, and I'm working as a product development engineer in SKF Italy in Turin. Today, in the automotive industry, every gram of reduction of the CO2 emission is very valuable. One way to achieve this is to reduce weight and inertia of the rotating masses in the vehicle. Sometimes it's easier said than done, especially for driveline components where high demand for stiffness, durability, and strength must always be satisfied. SKF has been working over the past 2 years to provide a solution for light design in hub applications. The SKF low-weight hub bearing unit is a unique integrated solution where a solid structural element made out of light alloy is formed around a steel core. This solution can be applied to premium cars as well as light trucks and electric vehicles. Bottom line is a weight reduction by 1/3 of the unit, thus enabling significant CO2 reduction. This may help automotive OEMs to significantly reduce the fuel consumption and avoid fees on CO2 emissions. This is a great example of knowledge engineering at work. If you'd like to find out more, please follow these links.